Hey YouTubers! So we're going to look at this thing. Anybody know what that is? You ever seen one of these before? This thing is pretty cool. This is called a universal thread restoring tool. It's made by NES. They are stupid expensive, and if you want to go stupid expensive, you can buy a whole set of these. This one is made for female threads, anywhere from 7/8 to 1 1/4 inch, which would be around 22 to 32 millimeters. You can see that little cutter tooth moving in and out. I'm guessing that's tungsten carbide. So what this thing does is it repairs internal threads or female threads. This thing was all boogered up, wouldn't go back together. I've already restored the threads, but I'm going to show you how this thing works. So what you do is you get it close to the inside diameter. You get that little tooth purchased in the valley between two threads. And normally you would just turn this thing, but I'm turning this way. I've got to get back in the valley. There we go. And what I'm doing is turning this on that little cutter, and that little cutter stays inside the valley between two threads. And this looks kind of awkward because it is. Normally one of these would be fastened in a vise, but I don't have a way to do that with my camera. So in any case, this is going to come out the end of the valley. There we go. And warning to headphone users, I'm going to do some air. If I can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to look through the camera and I can't see what I'm doing. Everything's in 2D. So, I've cleaned up those threads. And now this will go together nice and easy. Well, look at that. This thing would not go together before. This is a horizontal air die grinder, and the cylinder, which I'll show you the new cylinder, this piece right here was wedged in there, would not come out. It was a son of a gun to get out, but now once I clean up this smooth area with a little sanding grit, this thing will go back together nice and smooth. But if you need one of these, and believe me, if you need tools, you need one of these. NES thread restoring tool. And I probably got this one on Amazon. I'm sure there's a bunch of different places you can get them. I do not know if any of the tool trucks carry these. I was on the Snap-on truck recently. I did not see it there, but doesn't mean they can't get it if that's more convenient for you. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it informative. Have a great night.